Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm just going to show you this Pasir Panjang apartment. Okay, so right now we are at the main entrance. So at the main entrance, this is a shoe cabinet. Okay, this shoe cabinet has got open niche. Okay, so this open niche is actually wider. Okay, because the handle of the door of this two swing door, they are actually below here. So when you open, there's actually a cutout. Okay, so the switch is at the side. Okay, the switch here is also to on the light. On top here, okay, there's a down light. Okay, so as you can see, right, the two doors actually cover part of the niche. Okay, this is some design intents. Actually, you can put more things there, you know, so it's not blocked, right? And also about proportion, okay, because I don't want the niche to be too long. I just want it to be like somewhere in the middle of the entire cabinet. So as you come along, this is the dining area, the living. So at the dining area, I've designed this cabinet to conceal everything, including the shoe cabinet. This is the extension of the wall. And then the door is coming tomorrow because there's some minor rectification work. Okay, so this one is actually the area where the DB is. Okay, and then of course the internet router. These are all in we call tic-tac-toe. Okay, so as you move along, there's one more storage cabinet which is quite discreet. Okay, because my clients have a lot of things to store, so I actually designed this storage cabinet for them. Okay, also using the tic-tac mechanism. So over at the kitchen here is an open kitchen concept. Right at the bottom of the counter, right, this is a peninsula counter. So there's some design. I just want to show you how it's like when it's on, right? Because the design has got this some small recess. Okay, these are the panel, so it gives a little bit more 3D look to the front of the peninsula counter. On top of this will be the sintered stone. Okay, so sintered stone, it goes all the way on the light. Right, this is backsplash wall tiles. These are not sintered stone, these are porcelain tiles. Okay, and the dishwasher is here. I think I've explained to you how I did the piping for the dishwasher. Okay, so you can watch my previous episode. Okay, over here is a cake mixer tray. Okay, so you just have to pull it up. Okay, it's a bit loud because of the engagement of the hinge or the system. So in order to push it back in, you need two hands pull. Okay, so I have to put on my phone. Okay, and just close the door. Right, so this one helps to save some space and easy to access the mixer, because if you are a regular baker, then of course you need that. So over at this side here will be the fridge and open space for ovens and electrical appliances. There'll be this pocket door. Okay, so there are two. And always ensure that the pocket doors are fully pulled before you close. Okay, because if not, then it will damage the hinge over there. Right, then of course over here it's always nice to have LED strip. Okay, so over at the kitchen side, the sink, oven, and this is the door towards the yard. Okay, the door is actually a flush fitted door, soft opening and soft closing. Okay, so if I show it to you, I just have to release the door and let it slowly close. So on top there's some fluted glass to allow more light to come into the kitchen here as well. Okay, so this is the design intent of the glass door. Okay, and also this fixed panel with the fluted glass as well. So once you are at the yard, there's also this pocket door to hide the washing machine and the dryer. Okay, some shelving for the detergents. Okay, so this is the pocket door. Alright, I just want to show you one door. Okay, and then on top, of course, there's a tic tac. You can engage the door. And you want to open, push again, and push it in. So make sure this big panel pocket door has got the right system. When I say right system, means a good quality, durable pocket door track. If not, then this track is going to give way very fast. Okay, because of the bearing, right? Some lower quality bearings are not so good. Okay, so a pair of these pocket sliding door runners will probably cost you about $600 to $700. So spend this money so that you have a peace of mind later on, because this is a heavy usage door. Okay, and because of the weight of the door, you really need a good system so that you don't need to rectify or repair later on, because it's not easy to repair. As you can see, there's no holes. I think you have seen some people have holes here to access the runners if there's any issue in future, but for this system, I can say that it's actually quite well made, right? So I don't think you need to have the holes being open at the side panel. Okay, so as you can see here, the entire apartment, or I can say the living, dining and the master bedroom, has this wallpaper. Okay, so this is the generic wallpaper, has got some fine texture. So as you can see, the wall there, okay, the passageway is all wallpaper. And I just want to highlight a little bit on the feature wall. Okay, this feature wall is the existing TV feature wall, and I did not remove it. So I told my carpenter to just overlay them. So you can actually overlay a flat panel feature wall like that easily, right? But if it's too detailed where you can't end the laminate properly, then I would suggest that you redo a feature wall. Okay, but in this case, this is quite easily overlaid, right? And then of course the suspended TV console has been replaced with this floor sitting TV console. And also the door here used to be a bifold door, originally from the developer. I got it changed to a 6-panel sliding, so you can slide this 3 panel on each side. And then at the outside there is composite flooring, or we call composite deck. This is a deck made of composite. It looks like wood, so you can use that for your outdoor decking. But if you use the solid wood, usually you need to revarnish or repaint it every 2-3 years, because the paint will drop off due to weather. But for this kind, because it's composite, it's very hardy, it's very durable, so you don't actually have to do anything to it. Okay, let's walk to the first bedroom. Okay, so this first bedroom is the mom's room. So at the mom's room, she's going to have a super single size bed, writing table, right, some display for her, and then a huge wardrobe. Okay, so quite straightforward. Over here at the window side, okay, you can add a row of drawer for more storage. Let's move on to the other bedroom, which is the son's room. So the 2 sons are going to stay here. I've designed this bunk bed for them. Okay, so I actually use half of the height of the ceiling for each of the bed. The ceiling is very high, right, almost to about 2.93 meter. So if you can, give it as high as possible, right, because that will give you more height here. Okay, so when you are lying down or sitting on the bed, you don't feel so claustrophobic. Okay, so over here there's also this LED strip. These are RGB lights. Okay, my electrician is going to install the driver soon. Over at the opposite side is the study table, okay, with light here and here. Right, this is for their guitar. So guitar, you need to either have a guitar stand or you can have a wall mount holder for the guitar. Okay, so there's a nice mini downlight shining onto the guitar. So basically this bedroom is not very big, so space is really important. When you design space like that, make sure that there's ample space from the study table to the bed, because then someone will be sitting here and then someone might be sitting on the bed, and then you make sure that the space is good enough. Most importantly is because of the space constraint, you need lots of storage. So this cabinet goes up all the way. Okay, so very easy to use, straightforward, nothing fanciful. Okay, let's go to the master bedroom. So at the master bedroom, right, this is the special kind of blind. Okay, it's a double layer. So what you can do is you can actually twist it, open up, right, at a different angle that you want. This is manual. They have the automated one. So this is the manual system, which I think is also quite good, okay, because you can close it fully. Okay, this one will allow some light to pass through, as you can see. If you are a light sleeper, you can't use this because there's going to be lights coming through the gap. So if you are a light sleeper, you need to go for a blackout blind. Okay, the material is a blackout, so then it will be much darker. This side as well, you can see. So over here, this is a corner writing table, basically for the monitor, okay, and then the keyboard tray. And of course the chair is diagonally placed, then followed by a low storage cabinet. I can also mount the TV on the wall or place it over here. So these are the wardrobe, the tic tac also, and then the door to the bathroom is here. So when it's closed, you can't tell that it's a door to the bathroom. So for this door, you just need to push, and of course the switch is here. This door, okay, has got this wall hinge that is also self-closing, and of course inside here you need a handlebar to open the door, and also just to lock. Right, this is a small latch, and over here, just a simple mirror storage, full-length vanity cabinet. Okay, this is the undermount basin. Okay, this is a sintered stone. Okay, so I did not do any reconfiguration for the bathroom because the space is kind of fixed. What I did was to overlay with porcelain tiles. Okay, so these are like terrazzo porcelain tiles, which is quite nice. Then the flooring has got this granite look. Okay, it's the grey color flooring. So everything just complements very well. This is the storage cabinet that is using back the same laminate as the master bedroom. Okay, so at the master bedroom is also wallpaper, and then basically there are 3 lights. Okay, I don't want to put one more light here because the bed is going to be here. Okay, so this 3 light is the passageway. Right, if someone is sleeping here, then it won't be so glaring because the person sleeping here. Okay, so if you look up, it's not directly above. In order to have some ambience lighting at night, okay, or some indirect lighting, right, you can have it built above the wardrobe. Okay, just inform your carpenter that you want a LED strip above the or on top of the wardrobe. So that will give you some indirect lighting at night, especially if you don't want to turn on the downlights. So for common bathroom, it's the same. Okay, basically mirror storage, vanity, and then the floor and wall tiles are all overlaid. except that I've added this wall here, okay, to create the shampoo niche. Okay, I just want to shout out to these two products. Okay, usually I don't promote any products on my channel, okay, because these two products I've been following me whenever I go, okay, because most of the time there's some blue marks, there's some tile stain. So this one, okay, is a 3M. Okay, this one is a extra strength, okay, mark removal. Okay, so this one is good for not so stubborn stain. Okay, you can use this to clean any light stain on tiles. It can be easily removed. Okay, but if it's too stubborn stain, then you might have to use acid. Okay, so this is one good mark remover for tiles. Okay, another one I want to mention is this lighter fluid. It's called Zippo. So Zippo is actually, of course, you don't use it to fill up your lighter. Okay, I use it to clean any glue marks, any marks that are stubborn because of some masking tape. The glue residue is being left on the cabinet or on floor, on glass, on metal. Okay, so this one can easily remove. Don't get the yellow bottle one. Okay, the yellow bottle one is very oily. This one will evaporate very fast. Okay, so this is the better choice. Use this to clean any stubborn glue mark on anything. Okay, basically when I say anything, you can actually use it on your vinyl floor as well. Okay, so take note of this Zippo and 3M mark removal. Okay, so I hope you have learned something today. Okay, because these are the small information that a lot of my clients don't know. Okay, so sometimes I share with them what to buy, especially the Zippo, where you can remove a lot of glue mark, and then of course the 3M mark remover. Okay, so continue to watch all my other videos. Remember to like and subscribe and share my videos so that more of your friends know the ins and outs of renovation. I'll see you in my next video.